pa natin kung kamusta ba ang BGYO ngayon. So we got some questions from our media friends. So ako nang magbabasa ng questions, and then later, if there's still time, we can follow up personally. So are you guys ready to answer?
Ready, very ready.
Always ready. Okay. So this first question, hindi siya pinangalanan. So anonymous siya. So they asked, from performing at different mall shows and having album showcases in SM Skydome, finally you're having your first ever concert this October at the New Concert Theater. Ayan, ang saya. So looking back from humble beginnings, how does it feel to finally have your own solo concert?
Siyempre, kinakabahan kaming lima kasi nga first solo concert, so yung pressure na sobra talaga. Pero excited kami at the same time kasi excited kaming ma-showcase yung mga natutunan namin throughout the years and kung sino na yung BGYO now.
Saka yung mga new songs, di ba?
Oo. Mga pasabog natin dyan.
Oh, I feel like this will be something new. Siyempre, looking back at your different eras din, I can see na ibang-iba na rin yung sound nyo ngayon. And I'm really loving who BGYO is right now. So, meron silang second question. Recently, you performed at the Summer Sonic Bangkok along with international artists like you mentioned, Alicia Keys, Camila Cabello, Black Eyed Peas. So how does it feel naman to represent Filipino music sa isang malaking music festival internationally?
Ayun nga, sobrang grateful nga kami kasi nabigyan kami ng opportunity na mag-perform sa Summer Sonic Bangkok. And yung fact na kami yung first Filipino boy group na makapag-perform doon. Sobrang saya and ang sarap sa pakiramdam. And makita yung mga international artists na nilulup up namin. And may mga mapulot na lessons kung paano sila mag-perform na pwede namin madala sa mga susunod pa naming performance.
Because you were once fans also of these people, tapos kasama na kayo sa lineup, so nakakatuwa. I can really see the joy in your eyes. We also have another question from someone else naman ito. So this is your second time na ni-nominate kayo sa Breakthrough Awards in Brazil. Ano yung reaction nung nalaman nyo for the second time na nominate naman kayo for the International Rising Artist Award?
We were very surprised kasi this is the second time. So wow, second nomination, and it's a good reminder and motivation for us to keep pushing kasi our music and what we're doing now is being noticed internationally for the second time too. So we're very thankful sa Breakthrough Awards in Brazil.
Yeah, nakakatuwa talaga. Palakpakan naman natin ang BGYO. We're manifesting for more international nominations. Siyempre yun din ang goal to forward Filipino music internationally. Ito naman, we have a question from Nika Sapio from Push ABS-CBN. First question is, preparing for this concert, what are the things that you discovered about yourselves individually and as a group that you are proud of?
I think pinaka-highlight ko sa sagot ko is kung paano kami mag-work together as a team. Kasi nakaka-proud siya kasi kahit may limang opinions, limang mga mindset, tsaka mga ideas, at the end of the day with the team na gagawa namin ng iisang sagot para sa lahat ng mga ginagawa namin sa process papuntang concert.
Ang galing. Actually, you grow together talaga as a group. So for the second question, with the new EP, what is the difference of this to your previous albums? And please share, how did you prepare for this? And ano yung nag-inspire sa inyo dito?
Ano siya this new EP that we are going to release, it's very special to us. It shows how much we've grown through the years and how much our music evolved. Kasi before we were trying to experiment with different sounds, and we are proud of our new release, especially this year. This year from Trash to our EP1 and going to our new Headlines EP. It hits different talaga, and we are very grateful na and excited to release all of the music na matagal na namin tinatago, di ba? Sobrang tagal na. And yeah, I think it just shows the maturity and the growth of BGYO as an artist and as a person.
So I'm truly loving this era. I feel like everyone as well, they were really vibing along sa mga kanta na pinakinggan natin kanina. We have another naman, Jella De Vera from Manila Concert Junkies. So for 2025, BGYO is being crafted to become more of a global group based on previous singles and your upcoming EP headlines, with songs mainly being in English, actually. So is this a clear path that you boys want to take, or can we expect comeback songs like Tumitigil ang Mundo and Tigil?
For sure, soon we will be releasing more Tagalog songs. Nasakto lang right now na we were able to work with a lot of international songwriters and producers na madami kami na pangko na English songs. But for sure, abangan niya in the future, we will still be releasing a lot of Tagalog songs. Yeah.
Kaya abangan talaga natin yan, right guys? Feeling ko gusto nyo rin ng Filipino songs, and yun ang inaantay din ng marami. But I'm so excited for the headline EP. Ang ganda naman din talaga. I'm so excited for everything in the future ng BGY. So salamat sa pa-teaser mo na Filipino songs in the future. And another question from Jello as well. Please take us through your preparations for the concert. Were there any differences in rehearsals? That is your first ever solo concert. So nag-iba ba yung rehearsal nyo before sa concert nyo? And personally, for each member, what are you most excited to showcase sa first concert nyo?
As we're getting closer and closer sa first ever concert po namin, I think mas mahaba and mas intense yung rehearsals kasi we have many adjustments and we wanna change some things to make this something new, and we wanna make sure na prepared po kami mentally and physically. And personally, I am excited for our performance of our new EP kasi it fits the name of our concert, BGYO now. This is our music now, this is who we are now.
Ako personally, feel ko kailangan yung abangan and maging excited kayo sa mga solo prods na i-perform namin for this concert. Kasi, solo prod ba? Alam mo, hindi, magka-solo prod po kami kapag doon namin mapapakita, mag-showcase yung individual namin na talent and kung paano kami perform with our own crews. Kasi ito mga perform namin na solo, hindi pa namin siya nagagawa before, kaya excited.
May acting prod daw po si
Between the dance. Ako naman yung mga old songs naman namin. Kasi yung mga ilang songs dito, matagal na namin hindi na-perform talaga. And nakaka-excite lang mapakita yung version na yun ngayon kung sino ang BGY.
Ako personally, feeling ko kailangan niyo abangan yung stage ng BGY ko na. Kasi siya yung gumawa. Ako yung gumawa. Pero sobrang kaabang-abang yung stage. Talagang kakaiba tong concert. So, if you want to see the stage, buy your tickets. Wow! Ticketnet.com.ph.
October 4, 19 days to go.
Let's go! How about you?
What I'm excited about the concert is, of course, reuniting with the OG Aces, the one who's been there for us ever since we were Chinese, and of course to meet our new Aces that we haven't met before. So if you haven't seen us yet, buy your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph to see us live on our very first concert.
Malapit ang feeling ko, lalabas na rin yung pub na sold out na siya. And very soon. So yun din naman ang manifest natin. Aces, huwag na kayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Bumili na kayo. Now na. Kahit hindi ba nagbebenta, lahat bumibili na kayo. Now na talaga. Alright, I'm so excited yung solos nyo. Oh, something new. Okay, thank you for saying that. Next, we have Patrick Villanueva from Business Mirror. So ang question niya, based on your experience and the things you witnessed with your colleagues and competition in P-pop, what are the learnings you as a group and personally plan to bring coming into your first solo concert?
Well, so through the years, lahat ng mga na-experience namin siya, mga nakatrabaho, nakasama, ulit ako hindi rin. Ang pinaka-nagulat talaga namin, lalo na ngayon, important kami for this first solo concert is teamwork, focus, and yung pinaka-mindset mo na hindi mo na siya dapat dalhin every time na may performance kapag dapat ayos siya every day.
Interesting. Oh, may mapupulot ka talaga sa mga kasama mo sa trabaho eh. His next question is, we've seen artists get their hunger on stage, while yung iba naman naka-frightened. So how do you guys keep your mental in check to keep that hunger higher than your fear, especially performing in front of a lot of people?
Well, for us, normal lang naman talaga kabahan or matakot, lalo na kapag sobrang maraming audience yung mga Pero, ang pinaka-key dyan is, preparation. Kasi kapag prepared ka, automatic yan sa katawan mo kung anong gagawin mo kahit kabahan ka. Parang discipline. Kahit anong mangyari, at least pagkagawa mo pa rin yung dapat gawin. And at the end of the day, normal kabahan. Okay rin kabahan kasi alam mo kahit tayo sa puso.
Saka sa nakatulong ko para mawala yung kabay sa pasa kami sa likod, sa backstage.
May mga rituals kami.
Malakas talaga.
Pampasan, prayer, and huddle. Saka, baga, practice rin as a group and individual para align kami paglabas ng stage pag start ng music. Boom.
Iba talaga pag BGYO, may mga pag-ritual sila na ganyan.
Paluan.
Oo, may paluan segment. Para makalimutan ko pa ba, di ba? That's nice to know, ah. Hindi ko ata narinig yun sa iba pa. So, first time ko narinig yun. We also have a question from Vince from Philippine Concerts. Collaborating with global songwriters like Melanie Fontana and Lindgren, who have worked with artists such as BTS, Blackpink, 17, Twice, Britney Spears, and Dua Lipa. So this must have been a game changer for all of you. So can you share your creative process working with them and your reaction nyo na kasama sila makipagtrabaho sa inyo sa EP?
Yeah, we met them, me and Nate met them in the music camp last year. So we had a music camp. Tapos we were in the studio session together. Tapos yung unang kinakabahan talaga kami kasi they're big names in the industry. Tapos malaman mo, they wrote and produced for Dua Lipa, BTS, K-pop team, sa una nakakaba talaga siya. Pero when we got to talk and chat before the session, nawala siya kasi sobrang gaan nila kasama, yung energy nila maganda. And starting the session, smooth na siya tuloy-tuloy kasi we were able to chat before, tapos nagkatuwa na kami ng ideas, what kind of song is not gawin, what kind of sound. So yeah, that's how Sunlight was born. So super, super grateful to have been able to work with Lindgren and Melanie. Shout out sa inyo, loving it.
Going global na talaga. I'm so happy to hear that. Nakaka-proud talaga na yung fellow Filipinos natin na nakikita-kita lang natin before sa mga mall shows, sa mga maliliit na stage ngayon nakatrabaho na yung mga global icons just like them. Vince's other question is, what's the proudest headline moment of your journey so far?
Ako isa to sa mga feeling ko sasabihin niya. Pero isa sa mga na proud ako is mapunta yung isang song namin sa viral playlist sa Spotify. Nag-peak sa number 35 sa viral hits, yung All These Ladies. And sa isa pang viral 50 Philippines na playlist sa Spotify. Kaya so grateful kasi isa rin sa mga favorite song na ng video.
I'm very proud and I feel like this is a headline moment kasi we were featured on Grammys, many hits Asian pop. So we were featured with Blackpink, BTS, Pumpkin Rhythm. We're very honored to be on the same list as these very big acts.
Kaliwayan, ako ngayon, yung ngayon, preparing for the concert, we're going to have a concert on October 4th. The very first BGY concert, so for sa akin yung headline sa akin right now.
Ako naman yung nag-number 1 kami sa Billboard's Next Big Sound Chart sa song namin, The Battle. Sobrang big deal niya sa amin kasi bago pa lang maging BGYO yun. And makakuha agad ng ganung klaseng recognitions. Sobrang sarap sa puso.
Ako yung nanalo tayo sa Breakthrough last year for song by international artist for Patintero. Then yung ngayon na we're nominated again for Breakthrough for international rising artist. Yun sa akin.
Congrats! Nakakatuwa ang headlines ninyo. It's so nice. For sure, mas marami pa. At hindi features and dominating ng charts. Marami pang number 1. And nomination, syempre, gusto ba natin makita ng Filipino na ma-nominate sa Grammys? Syempre, yun ang gusto natin makita. So we are also manifesting that for BGY. So manifestation session pala. So manifest tayo together dito. Next question is from Chris O. Ramos Jr. from One Music PH. Speaking of headlines, how have you matured in terms of handling the distractions and the non-musical things that come with being public figures?
I think we've grown in terms of focus and mindset. Kasi before we get easily